Just some little words about NitraTek Sound, champion sound. A sound boy without any dubplates is like a sound without roots. That kind of sound can never touch NitraTek. No. Before you kill a broad, you got to learn to kill a yard. Self-empowerment are strictly dollars and cents. Hey. Just some little words of wisdom about NitraTek Sound to lead your minds to freedom. Kill another one for me, Junior Brown. Just some little words of wisdom, hey, to lead your minds to freedom. Listen up, don't watch and expect any dubplates. You can do for yourself. Just put your shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you will help yourself. Sound boy, learn a little more about NitraTek. You will better know yourself. Emancipate yourselves from dubplate slavery. Hey. Just some little words of wisdom about NitraTek Sound to lead your minds to freedom. Another sound boy dead again. Just some little words of wisdom, hey, to lead your minds to freedom. Just some words about NitraTek Sound, champion sound, yeah.